If you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade. The gripper is insanely easy to use. Just drop your balance support to match your material thickness and keep your gripper upright. Next, move the center leg over to the other side of the blade to control the offcut side of your workpiece. Keep your workpiece and your gripper tight to the fence and let it rip. Jackpot. With over 1,100 5-star reviews, the gripper is the best-selling, most wished-for table saw accessory on Amazon.com. So quit stalling. We've sold over 350,000 grippers worldwide. The gripper is made right here in the USA, and it's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at MicroJig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. MicroJig. Work safer, work smarter.